How to get ChatGPT Plus free trial. Easy Guide 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you the real, legitimate ways to get ChatGPT Plus for free in 2026. Since OpenAI doesn't actually run a standard trial the way most subscription apps do. Here's the honest truth up front. There's no Start Free Trial button anywhere on ChatGPT's pricing page, and OpenAI has confirmed they don't offer a universal free trial for Plus to every user. Instead, free access comes through a handful of specific, legitimate channels. Let's go through each one. Step 1. Check the referral invite system, since this is currently the most reliable route. Any existing ChatGPT Plus, Pro, or Business subscriber can generate a referral link from their account settings, and when someone signs up using that link, both people typically get free Plus access for 7 to 14 days. Step 2. If you know anyone with an active Plus subscription, just ask them directly. Many subscribers have unused invite slots sitting in their account, so a simple, polite ask often works better than searching for a public trial online. Step 3. Check if you're a student. OpenAI has run verified student promotions in the past through shared identity verification, giving eligible college students extended free access without requiring a credit card. Though these specific windows and eligible countries have changed over time, so check OpenAI's official student page directly to see what's currently active. Step 4. Watch for promotional invites and campaign windows. OpenAI occasionally runs limited, invite-based promotional periods, often tied to product launches or holidays, and eligibility varies by region and campaign. So these aren't something you can plan around in advance. Step 5. Check for mobile app trial pop-ups. Some users have reported occasional short trial windows appearing directly inside the ChatGPT mobile app, though like the other promotional routes, this isn't guaranteed or consistent. Step 6. Know what to avoid completely. Be very cautious of third-party sites selling ChatGPT Plus activation codes or offering suspiciously cheap access. Since a legitimate free offer will always be redeemable through OpenAI's own official page, never through a random code activation site asking for your account credentials. Here's a pro tip. Before chasing a free trial at all, check OpenAI's official free plan first, since it already includes a limited version of their current models. If your use case is lighter, drafting emails, quick research, casual questions, the free tier alone might genuinely cover what you need without any trial hunting required. So that's the real, current picture on getting ChatGPT Plus for free in 2026. Referral invites, verified student offers, and occasional promotional windows with no shady workarounds required. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool guides, and let me know in the comments, did you already get an invite from a friend?